Chapter 4, Lecture 2. The Parmar dynasty ruled Malwa, Ujjain, and Dharnagari, were the two main cities of Malwa. Ujjain and Dharnagari is the two main cities of Malwa. Dharnagari is known as the Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh at present. King Munj and King Bhoj of Parmar dynasty were not only good rulers but also good poets. They gave patronage to the scholars in their courts. Raja Bhoj or King Bhoj made Dharnagari the center of studies, Vidyanagari, and established a university, Vidyapit, for the study of Sanskrit literature. Many architectural monuments were built during this time. The Parmars fought many battles with the Chalukyas of the south. After the death of Raja Bhoj, the king of Malwa weakened. Now, here you see, it is said that Raja Bhoj suffered from brain tumor in his early age. In the early 10th century, he was operated on by two brothers from Ujjaini who sent him into a controlled coma using a medicine called Sammohini. They then opened his skull and removed his tumor. Raja Bhoj survived this surgery and lived a healthy life. The rulers of the Pala dynasty and Sen dynasty ruled in Bihar and Bengal. The rulers of the Pala dynasty had added Pala to their names, and so their dynasty was known as the Pala dynasty. With the help of your teacher, and afterwards, Pala dynasty, more information about Pala dynasty. Many Rajput rulers of the Chauhan or Chahman dynasty ruled over various parts of Rajasthan during the 7th and 8th century Common Era. Of them, one branch ruled over Sakambhari, a place near Lake Sambhar, which is on to the north of Ajmer, in the beginning of the 8th century. Ajay ascended the throne of Sakambhari in the 12th century, established the city of Ajay Meru, which later came to be known as Ajmer. So Ajmer later early name is Ajay Meru. The rulers of the Chauhan dynasty captured Delhi, the capital of the Tomar kings, and established their supremacy. Prithviraj III or Rai Pithora was a powerful ruler of the Chauhan dynasty. He is unparalleled in the history of India. Many stories and folk songs have been written about his bravery on the battlefield. Chand Bardai, a famous poet, has written about Prithviraj Chauhan's valor in his epic Prithviraj Raso. We shall learn about the battle between Prithviraj Chauhan and Sahabuddin Muhammad Ghori later. The Gohils or Guhils of Mewar, who were later known as the Sisodia Rajputs, hold a unique position in medieval history. It is said that Bappa Rawal established this dynasty. During the Rajput era, the Chedi dynasty ruled over Jabalpur, which is to the south of river Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. It was known as the Chedi dynasty of Kalachuri, which with its capital at Tripuri, present day in Tevar. In the medieval era in Gujarat, the Rajput dynasties of the Chavdas, followed by the Solankis, ruled over Alhilwat Patan in Gujarat. There were many valiant rulers of this dynasty about whom we will study later. So this is the information about North India and North India kings. Now in lecture number 3, we discussed about South India and South Indian rulers.